Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add auto caption to your video in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on the new project and you have to select one of your videos from your gallery in order to edit it. I'm going to use this one, and I've added a voiceover. And if you want to generate an auto caption for your video, you have to click on the text option on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see the third one is auto captions. Click on it, and now you can see that you can generate auto captions for your voiceover or from the video, because this video does not have sound. Then I'm going to click on the voiceover, and now you can see that you can select the language as well. I spoke in English, so that's why I'm going to use English. But if you speak in another language, or in your video there is, for example, a German speaking person or something like that, then you can select that language, and in that way the auto caption will be in German, for example. And now there you can see some animation options, free ones and the pro ones. I'm going to use the first one and click on the start, and now it's going to work, hopefully. Yes, so now you can see the auto captions, and if I going to click on it, now you can see that I can adjust, or I can correct it if, for example, the auto caption didn't recognize something or a word or something like that. Then you can edit it, you can correct it. Here you can see the font style, the effect, animation and so on. So here you can customize the captions as well. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.